Forget to turn the lights on. Or you know what I mean. Anyway, I fixed the front landing gear, and there was a little bit more to this than I thought there was going to be, as usual, but we got in there and fixed it with no parts, no glue, just a little straightening. Had to straighten out a shaft when I took the landing gear, front landing gear apart. Let's see here, flaps, got them. Okay, let's go with some takeoff flaps. All right. Oh, wait a minute. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see very well. That's embarrassing. What I do with the glasses here. They're here somewhere.
You had them on. I saw you. They're right there.
Right where? Ah, okay.
I saw it.
Yeah. Blind without them and blind with them. Surprised it can fly.
I got it.
Yeah, that's right after the vision test too, when they say I can't drive, right?
Yeah,
all right, should we try this again?
Yeah.
One more time. Nice scale flight takeoff, right? Flaps up. Yeah, we can walk out here a little bit. And make sure we got clearance here. All right, we're running about half throttle, just a little more than half throttle, and it's a nice level flight. You can actually see the lights a little bit here. What's that?
I don't know if you're on their email list.
Who's that?
Of the club.
I am, but I haven't gotten anything from them for quite a while.
Really?
Yeah.
I got another one.
From who?
I don't know, some guy named Bud.
For some reason, I'm not getting them anymore.
I don't know. Or maybe they've excommunicated you.
Maybe. Can't imagine. I don't think I've done anything wrong.
No, you didn't.
Kind of an old battery here. It only took a charge at half of its rating. It's a 5200 6-cell. It was only taking a charge at 2.2 amps. So when I give it a little full bore like that, that's about all she's got. Now when I put in a fresh battery, this thing has a whole lot different story. Not to mention, somebody commented there's a Falcon carbon fiber prop I want to get my hands on for this. It adds a little extra pitch to the thing, and I think it can handle it. Willing to give it a try at least anyway. I sure did like the difference in the change of the prop on the timber from the standard, what was it, 12.4 to the APC 12.6. Night and day difference. Like this one here is like the old timber used to be. Okay, you give it gas, okay, it starts getting going. But with that new prop, you give it gas, it's like it's that speed now. Let's put some flaps in here and see how slow can she go. That's pretty slow for no wind. and being able to turn, keeping the wings flat, using rudder and a little cross aileron. Oh man, this thing could just catch thermals all day long, I bet you. And I've been looking into maybe getting a soaring plane. Much as we like to fly at night too, Vito, I've been looking at that that FT Radian.
Yeah. We won't have a problem seeing that.
I like the some of the schemes that they've got on the thing. It just really looks cool.
The flight test guys, yeah, they have some cool schemes.
Now let's take our flaps off here.
I like flying on there because I have planes that lights on them.
Yeah, we got some comments, you know, like your maiden flight, and you have to agree with them too, Connor. You know, really shouldn't do maiden flights even with the AS3X at night. But you know,
I agreed with them.
But we're daring, and
we're daring,
and we can't help ourselves.
Yep. Plus, she survived.
Anything behind me? Oh, just
No,
your car.
Just my car and my mall and my Cherokee.
Yeah, I've got just like maybe 1/4 throttle and no flaps. What? Here's landing flaps. Put full flaps on it. It's like putting on the brakes. Oh, she starts getting a little tippy, doesn't she? You want to get yours fixed right away now, don't you?
What, this one?
Yeah.
She's pretty much ready to go. I just got to get a battery for her. She's already assembled.
We're about done here. Okay, I'm going to set up for an approach. I'm going to come in.
So I'm not in your way.
Yeah, I'm going to come in and go down the runway. Since there's not really any air to speak of. Yeah. So I'll just do my turn right here. And I'm going to put on half flaps. Oh, full flaps for now. I got to get this thing down here. You know what? I'm going to go around one more. I'm going to go around one more time. I know it doesn't want to come down. I want to come in. I'm going to bring it in a little bit lower. It was just, I had it no stick. I mean, I had no throttle. Full flaps, and it still wasn't coming down. What the heck? Is there a slight breeze there, maybe? I don't know. I'm sure not feeling it down here.
I had the same problem with the two when I was trying to land them. They didn't want to come down.
Okay, we're lined up here. Flaps are off. Now, flaps are full on. Dude, this is no throttle, I'm not kidding. This is a no throttle landing.
Hey, you don't want to go into traffic.
Oh.
Oh, you hit the side.
The side? I thought I had to turn.
The side right there.
All right, we'll kill this video for now. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Let's go get the plane. Take that walk of shame. Should be able to taxi it back here too. I'll bet you I could once I get up there. What are you flying up here? A Cherokee. I can tell by the lights. Man, the mosquitoes are getting bad. All right. It's going to be a short flight here, guys. Oh, did I forget to put my lights on? I did. I forgot to put the high beams. I forgot to put the high beams on. Alright, I'm banking left here. Alright, let's just bring it right over here. If I recall, this is kind of flat.
Receiver 5.2 volts.
Yes, I did see that hump in those sewer covers at the last second. But let's go put our lights on here, guys. My depth perception is not working right. The air must be real heavy with all the humidity, because these planes are just floating on forever, where they normally just come on down. It's a whole different flight mode there tonight.
Receiver 5.2 volts. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Now you can see it. I'm making a left now. I have to be walking while I fly. They're just zeroing in on me out there. This is great. You can fly this thing. It's so bright. You can always find it in the sky. We're not even watching it. They're so predictable.
Receiver 5.1 volts. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Is that a real plane?
Should we buzz Vito? It's getting pretty dark. Man, I'm not kidding. I am flying with like just takeoff flaps and almost no throttle.
It must be really humid out.
Yeah, because
you
they're
can
just
see it with
staying
the
up in the air.
lights.
I mean,
You
the
can see
clouds
it.
are almost the
Receiver 5.1.
humidity's almost keeping them flying.
Yeah, you could.
I mean, I go dead stick here, and I
you can see
swear
it
it's
in the
not coming
lights
down.
because there's like this halo cloud around them.
Yeah,
when they're
yeah.
coming down.
Especially on the red, huh?
Yeah, you'll see it on this one.
Oh, we do have a little breeze. I see it's kind of taking me. So, all right. 2:02 on the timer still.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Man, I can fly this thing all night tonight like this. And on half flaps, perfectly stable at slow speed. There's just no real wind, but man, the humidity. Wow.
Receiver 5.2
Alright, dead
volts.
sticking. Let's see how long it takes to come down. It's totally no throttle here, guys. No throttle. No throttle at all. Half flap. And that's going with whatever breeze.
You're gonna be up there forever. You want some bug spray?
No, I'm fighting them off as I go.
Receiver 5.2 volts.
Besides, I don't really have the time to put it on.
Well, I can
Time remaining 1 minute.
You shoot me in the eye.
This is my second round.
So I'll stand next to you.
I have a feeling like it attracts them. You scared me there. I thought she was going down.
Now I was trying to get in your overspray.
Oh.
They're getting in my face. They're hitting my hands on the transmitter,
Mm-hmm.
biting my thumb. Bastards.
So I'm putting it on.
And they do take your mind off of what you're doing.
Mosquitoes?
Yeah. So it's,
Well, imagine if we were at the other field.
so it's real hard to
Receiver 5.
keep your orientation, you know. And that is dead sticking. That has been dead stick. That was dead stick way the hell down there, man. All right, all right. Oh, now it says I gotta land. Okay, great, thanks.
I don't have that much issues with the mall coming down.
Well, this is my temper. I fly this thing blind, man. And in the pitch dead of night, I've never had an issue. So this is a new one for me. We're gonna go full flap. I'm gonna bring it down. That's better. Man,
Receiver 5.2
had to
volts.
land that sucker.
I love having a runway.
Runways are so much better, man. Ow, 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 ow. Like 12 of them on me at once. Dude, I think I'm done for the night. I fed these mosquitoes all I care to. He's already heading for the hills. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later. Put your plane by it so we can mark it here. Yeah, we got something that was coming down from way, way up, guys. It looks like a garbage bag or something, but it's coming down. It's going to hit our field here.
MacGyver, don't get lost out there.
No, but I'm going to go get it. I'm going to go find out what it is. You guys can probably see a little bit of it. Now it's got to have hit. But where the hell could it have come from? I mean, that's a clear sky up there, man. That came from the upper atmosphere somewhere. Way, way, way high. That's you, isn't it? It should be right over here, right? Am I in the right spot? It was a kite. I think I see something over here. I think this is what we just saw. Okay, it's a lantern, Chinese lantern. Ran out of fuel. Did you just buzz my head? Alright guys, we're gonna kill this here unless he comes around again. What is this, north by northwest? Night flying the Cherokee. He did bend the shaft on the motor on the thing. He said he had to straighten it. It sounds like it's running pretty smooth, flying smooth. That sounds pretty good. Alright, we'll get into the light over here and we'll get to see what I found. Well, you think that may be the straw that broke the camel's back?
Yeah.
Guys, he just landed into this shed over there. and still no damage on this Cherokee. I gotta say, I think this is like the bionic bird. I might buy one just for the crash resistance, so when I want to teach somebody, I don't have to worry the hell about it. Straighten your wheel, straighten your front wheel again.
She's fine.
She's fine.
She's fine.
Lands it into a plane, bounces it, I don't know how many times.
I don't think I hit the
Damn
shed
thing,
right. I don't think I hit the shed right on.
Well, it was a bounce and then into the shed.
Yeah,
Still.
into the shed.
But still, I mean, I heard it bonk, bonk.
It wasn't like a big slam. It was like just like dunk.
No, it was a bonk, bonk. You bounce?
Fine.
Yeah, well, still. You'd do that with the timber or anything else, and you'd be breaking control surfaces. You'd be cracking shit, I guarantee it. One tough bird. I might just have to get one for that factor, guys. Well, at least until you figure out how to hit this small runway here.
It is a little dark.
I know. I was having a hard time judging the distance too. And then when I did finally land and bring it back over here, I brought it around the truck, and I wasn't sure, was I going to hit the truck? Was I going to go around the truck?
I don't think we should fly at this time of night anymore.
I'd still do it with my timber.
Yeah.
If the mosquitoes weren't so bad, I'd be flying right now, except I know as soon as I pull that controller out, they're going to start eating me alive. Alright guys, that was the Cherokee again, another night flight with it, and the thing does take a tumble. You let me know if there's any crash damage at all, will you? It looks like it's fine. Damn. Except the wheel does look pushed up a little bit here. But you fixed that once. Front steering wheel? Or front nose wheel?
Yes.
Yeah. Not bad though for what it's been through.
No.
Alright, you guys have a good one. We'll catch you soon.